How to recover deleted my eyes only picture on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, scroll down and navigate to privacy controls option and you will see the option for my data. So tap on the my data option you see there, and now in this particular interface, simply wait for the interface to load and then go ahead and scroll down and navigate to memories option you see there. So go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for export your memories, which includes all your memories, which also includes my eyes only. So once you have enabled the toggle button for export your memories, just in case if you want to add in other memories or other histories too, then you can toggle on those toggle button too. If not, then simply tap on the next option on the bottom right of your screen and then go ahead and select the date of when you want to recover your my eyes only pictures and then tap on the submit option you see there. Now go ahead and simply wait for Snapchat support team to recover and retrieve your data, and once the data has been completed, you will receive an email from Snapchat support team and you can further download the files. Now, once your data is ready, you will receive a notification from Snapchat. So go ahead and open Snapchat application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right. Here, scroll down to the bottom to privacy controls tab and then tap on the my data option again. Additionally, in this particular interface, you will be able to see the data that you just downloaded. So tap on the see exports option you see there and then tap on the download option you see there and wait for the process to complete. Now when the pop-up that appears, tap on download again, and with this the download has been completed. So tap on the search bar and then tap on the download icon you see there and then tap on the downloads option. Further, go ahead and tap on the downloaded file you just downloaded and then open the file, and with this, as you can see, the download has been completed. You can then tap on the HTML option you see there, and if you scroll down you will be able to see your my eyes only history too. So this was about how you can recover my eyes only pictures on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.